So this is a seminar about intellectual property, and we actually want to help you to understand in simple terms what are the different concepts of IP that are available. And we want to give you an overview on what intellectual property is, what kind of legal rights are available to protect intellectual property or creations of individuals. And then in the end, we want to focus on patents to give a bit more of details how the process of patenting works, and also what are the different concepts that are available in the space of patenting. A patent is defined as a right that is registered in a certain territory in exchange for public disclosure. The owner of a patent actually gets a total monopoly over his invention, which prevents anybody else from making, using, selling, or importing it. So what are the steps to obtain a patent? There's actually 3 key tests that you have to undergo if you want to register for a patent. The first thing is called novelty test. Anything that has been already invented before or even disclosed to the public is no longer considered novel. So this is something which you have to prove, and usually this is done by a search in public media. The second test is much more subjective. It's called actually the inventive step or the obviousness test. And how it works is actually a patent office will come with something like an hypothetical person that actually challenges the patent applicant to say, well, what you do is actually obvious or is not really inventive to me. Anyone in the field with similar knowledge or know-how in this field would be able to come up with this idea easily. And then, of course, as a third point, whatever is invented needs to be able to put in practice, which means it has to be a service or a product that can be used in the industry. If there's anything you need to remember in this is do not disclose your idea before you have seek for protection. Because once you have told anybody, it is considered a public disclosure and hence no longer patentable. If you want to find out more about Takamul, you can visit our webpage, takamul.gov.ae, or send us an email, takamul@tdc.gov.ae.